Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. This is very important. All right. The title of the video is how to day trade on Mondays. All right. So Monday is the first day of the week. All right. How do we day trade? Okay, which strategy should we adopt? Which mindset do we adopt? Okay, how can we day trade like professional traders on Monday? Okay, how can we avoid costly mistakes on Monday? These are the things we're going to look at. Okay, so I can share with you, okay, my experience, okay, and also to highlight some crucial mistakes that traders are repeating every Monday. All right. For those of you who are watching Formula One, we know that the beginning of the race is very, very important. So if the driver that managed to be the first at the beginning of the race, very often end up to finish the race at the first place. So the same thing we are doing in trading, on day trading. As the week is starting, we want to start on a winning foot. All right, we want to start correctly. We want to start the week on a winning note. All right. So there are a few things we need to do. Okay, if you want to start the week on a winning foot, because a lot of traders will rush into the market because maybe they are addicted to trading, especially if you are a new trader. You are very excited to enter the trade. You are very excited to be in the trade, and you need to avoid that. Okay. So the first thing that we need to check on Mondays is the economy news. In fact, we have to check those economy news during the weekend times. All right. So you go to www.forexfactory.com. You want to check all the economy news for the whole week, not only for Monday. So this is the calendar. So you go to www.forexfactory.com, you click on calendar, and you check the economy news. If you are trading Forex from Sunday, because the Forex market will open on Sunday, from Sunday night up to Friday. All right. If you are trading stocks, okay, you want to check the economy news from Monday, okay, to Friday. Now, you may say to me, George, Forex Factory, I trade stock. You will check the economy news because it's a global market. These economy news will affect the stock market, the commodity market, okay, and any financial instrument. So you want to know, okay, when the high impact news are due, which news, economy news, the professional will pay attention to this week coming. So because at the beginning of the week, the professional will be making their decision accordingly to the economy news that are due in the week. So, for instance, here we have there's one economy news here. The crude oil inventory, you can see that normally is on Wednesdays, but this week is on Thursday. So you want to know straight away, all right? And also this week, we know that on Monday, you see Monday, 26th of May, is a bank holiday in London, which means the market will be closed, but the Forex market will be open. The stock market will be closed in London, but the Forex market is still open, though. In New York, the stock market also will be closed. You see a bank holiday. You want to know where are the bank holiday. So with this verification, I know that, okay, there's a bank holiday in London, bank holiday in the United States. There are some high impact news here. The ECB, okay, European Central Bank President, okay, Draghi will speak right here, okay, on Tuesday. So when I'm placing trade on Monday, I must be careful. I don't want to have too many trade open. I don't want to expose myself too much, because if some economy news are due on Tuesday or the next day, all right, or on Thursday, that can change the dynamics of the market. I want to know, all right, I want to know, I want to be prepared, and I want to be ready for it. So at the beginning of the week, I want to start making the right decision so I don't have to be forced, okay, to close some trade or end up losing because I didn't pay attention or prepare myself for the beginning of the week. So the first thing that we want to check is the economy news, www.forexfactory.com, www.googlefinance.com, www.yahoofinance.com. So these are very, very important preparation that we need to do on Monday. We need to know. So far, on Monday, we check the economy news. In fact, during the weekend time, we prepare ourselves, okay? I will refer traders back to the video that we call Preparation for Day Trading at youtube.com/JoeTrio, Preparation for Day Trading. You will see on YouTube, where I explain to traders how to prepare for day trading. The same thing on Sunday or Friday or even on Monday, you will look for the best trading setups. Why? Because you cannot day trade if you are not following the trading drill. It's not about technical trading or fundamental trading alone, the trading drill. So you want to look through the financial instrument that you trade, all right? Select the best setups, okay? And wait for the best signal before you will select the low risk entry point. So the trading drill is about finding the best setup. So professionals will spend most of their time, 70% of their time, looking for the best setup. If you don't see the best setup, walk away, okay? Do not trade. Do not trade it if it's not the best setup. If it's not a high probability trade setup, walk away. Save your money for the next, okay, reliable trade setup. All right. So do you want to prepare yourself? I don't want to dwell on it because this video is not about preparation for day trading, which I've already recorded. So you want to do your preparation during the weekend and be ready on Monday. The next thing that you will do on Monday, for technical traders, by the way, I need to say to technical traders that it's not all about technical trading, especially if you are a new trader. I need to mention this carefully to you so you can slow down a little bit and start adopting the mindset of a professional trader. It's all about a mind game. So as I show you now, for the Forex Factory, we know that it's a bank holiday in London, a bank holiday in New York. So on Monday, we need to be very, very, okay, aware of it and trade accordingly, all right? And also we know that the ECB president will speak this week. This is a major economy news that will affect the Euro USD, those who are trading the Forex, and also will affect the stock market, all right? So those are high impact news. We need to know when they are due and what impact they will have on the market. And we just want to play the mind game also in our day trading instead of just coming Monday and jumping into the market doing our own thing when a professional are careful. Okay. The next thing that we need to do on Monday, we'll highlight the high, the low, and the median line of Friday. So Friday that is gone. All right. And the median line. So you can see that the week that has ended here, this is Friday, okay, the 23rd of May, 2014, all right? But you can see that this day here was Monday, okay? This is Monday, the 5th of, Monday, the 19th of May, 2014. So when the week has started here, all right, professional will highlight the high, the low, and the median line of the Friday. Friday here, all right? Friday, the 16th of May 2014, the week that has begun here. So you will do that on Monday. You highlight the high, the low, and the median line. So your strategy is that you will give priority to bullish signal above the high of last Friday. And you will give, okay, priority to sell signal below the high of last Friday. Very often, traders that are TSCW34 traders, talking about trading idea part 1, part 2, part 3, all right, part 4, both for TSCW24 and SY008 traders, you know this. But now, this is on a daily chart, all right? Apart from the daily chart, we'll go to the weekly chart, okay? We'll also highlight the high, the low, and the median line. So we are highlighting the Friday candle here, the high, the low, and the median line. As you can see, we are looking at upper stock. So this is the high here. I will adjust it correctly, okay, for Friday the 16th of May. So the market opened now on the 19th of May, which is Monday, all right? So I have my line ready. I'm going to call out my the high of Friday into red, all right? And I'm going to switch to 3-minute chart, and I want to see whether I can see or no. I don't have enough data for this, so I will go instead. Hopefully I will see my red line. That's my red line here. You see here? This is Monday here. Monday the 19th of May. Can you see on your chart? Hope you can see it. All right. So the market did open here. This on Monday. We are above the high of last Friday, which is the red line here. So if I want to buy, this is beautiful. You see, it pulled back nicely. Pull back near the high. Couldn't even touch it. If you look carefully, we're on a 10-minute chart. It's a beautiful one. So it pulled back nicely. You can draw a line like this. So it pulled back. If you accept my drawing like this, you see. So it pulled back like this in this small blue channel. Okay. And it couldn't even touch it. Now, you can see that there's a small double bottom here on the edge of this channel. And then it went back above this blue channel and retested here. And start just going horizontal. See here? It's going to go up, okay? Because it's out of this small bearish channel. Normally, we would prefer it to roll it all the way down here. But the market couldn't wait, okay, before coming out of it. That would be beautiful. But you see here, it just came out. And here, if you want to join, you can join them here. And you can switch to the 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, 3-minute chart to enter the trade. Because now we're on a 10-minute chart like this. It's up to you what you want to do here. And then you just go, all right? So the price is displaying a new higher high. Is bullish, all right? Provided that the price is in a rising channel, all right? This is very important for us. So on Monday, we will draw the high, the low, and the median line of last Friday. We will also go to the weekly chart. So for instance, if I go to the weekly chart, because a new week is starting, all right? So the high of last week, here it is. If I don't want to remove all my line, I will remove 3 lines here. Pay attention carefully because I want you to understand how to day trade, all right? If you are TSCW24 trader, you are day trader. It's a specialty for day trading, but it's not a trading software. It has nothing to do with Elliott Wave. The Elliott Wave theory, in fact, is a trading system on its own. So it's difficult to build a trading system based on the Elliott Wave. What you want to do? That's why when it comes to Elliott Wave, I give everything for free, all right? Because you want to count wave, you want to recognize the wave patterns. That's all you need. And you want to understand the wave structure and the mind game of Elliott Wave trading. So that's why we don't build a trading system based on Elliott Wave. We build a trading system based on the market stable data, things that remain intact. One example, the market patterns. This is what we use when we are building a trading system. We don't want to fight the market. We use the market patterns. All right. So on like here, right here. So this is last week here. So you draw the high. This is the high here. Okay, so we see, this is last week, okay, so that's the high, the low, and I'm just doing it fast because I don't want the video to be too long, and somewhere there, that's the median line, okay, all right, this is for Apple. So again, if I color this high here into red, okay, that's the high of last week, and what I will do, I will color the median line into green. Okay, and I will leave the low in black like this. Okay, so you see that's the Trading Idea Part 1. This Trading Idea Part 1, I in fact recorded a video about it, or I put on YouTube, George Trio channel. Trading Idea Part 1. Okay, here I write here by George Trio. So the high, the low, and the median line of last week. So the strategy is very simple. If it's going to be bullish, it must remain above the high of last year, or at least find a support. So very often, what the price is doing all the time, that's why we have to trade it to understand. The week may start like this. Instead of going above the high, you will find a resistance. So if the price find a resistance going down, what the price doing? The price looking for the next support level. Where is the next support level? The next support level is the median line. So if you want to be bullish, suppose you want to buy Apple, you don't want to sell it. You are a permanent bull, you hate to sell. And you believe that the stock is going to go up. So you have to be patient. So if it's going down if you are a day trader, you don't give a damn. You want to sell, you want to buy, okay? So unless your investor want to buy a whole, that's different. So as a day trader, if you find a resistance or you see some bearish, so when we talk about resistance, okay, you want to sell at a resistance, what are you looking for? You are looking for bearish patterns, all right? You are looking for the price to come out of a bullish channel, okay? You want to receive a clear cut, okay, bearish setup, high probability bearish setup, okay? That's what you are looking for at a resistance level. The same thing what you are looking for at a support level, you are looking for bullish patterns, all right? You are looking for the price to come out of a bearish channel and to find a support above it. You want to see the price displaying high lows, high high. You want to see the price, okay, going into a rising channel. That's what you are looking for near a support level. If you want to sell at a support, you must break the low, the test. But to avoid that the video is too long because we have talked about this already, just to highlight it quickly to traders. So sometimes the primary final resistance here at the high and then looking to come near the next support level, which is the median line. Very often you see that some stock, you see beginning of the week, they come down. On Monday, people say, oh, this stock is bearish. And by Wednesday, find a support near the median line or the short-term equilibrium price level, and then boom, it goes up. All right. For traders that are trading Apple stock, I want to quickly mention to you that for the next 2 weeks, all right, the short-term equilibrium price level for Apple stock is at 66329. No, no, I'm getting hungry. It's at 56329. That's the turquoise horizontal line here. 56329. That's the short-term equilibrium price level. Swing traders, day traders must pay attention to this level. The price at one point may try to retest this turquoise line. Be aware of it. Now, the long-term equilibrium price level, where long-term investor bought Apple this year, is the pink line here at 51037. Right here, they bought it. Okay, all right. So that's it. For the strategy that we want to adopt on Monday, we want to highlight the high, the low, and the median line of last week. Then we switch to the daily chart because, okay, the last day of last week, which is this candle here, we want to know where is the high, the low, and the median line. So we go to the daily chart and we will repeat exactly the same thing on the daily chart, the high, the low, and the median line. If you don't want to draw it, you can leave it like this because you don't want to confuse yourself. You just want to know where it is. It's very close to the high of last week, you see? All right? So, you know that this is Friday, and the median line of Friday is somewhere here. This is about technical trading. All right? So, we have checked the economy news. We have selected the best setup. We've done our preparation for day trading. All right, we go to the weekly chart, we draw the high, the low, and the median line, and we do exactly the same thing on the daily chart for the last Friday. Now, you have to understand that the price always going from one key level to the next key level. So sometimes traders see those horizontal lines on their chart, they don't know what to do with it. You are looking for market patterns, key market patterns around support level, around resistance level, around key levels without violating, okay, the market pattern. The next thing we need to be aware of when we are trading on Monday, okay, now I'm going to go, because this is Apple stock, I'm going to use Euro USD for Forex traders. On Monday, all right, When London is open at 8 a.m. London time, that's at 3 a.m. Eastern time, day traders can trade for the first 3 hours. So from 8 a.m. London time up to 11 a.m. London time, you can day trade. All right? You can day trade, and then you can go away from your computer if you are day trader until New York is open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, 2:30 p.m. London time. The professional day traders know that. So on Monday, trade the first 3 hours when London is open, and then just go away. Don't leave any trade open. If you want to leave some trade open, it's up to you, but control it. Know exactly what is taking place. Because around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, that's 1:30 p.m. Eastern time, major economy news will be released. Okay. Also, on Monday, around 9 a.m. Okay, London time, sometime, you see some economy news. You see that once here, 4 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, that's 9 a.m. ECB President Draghi speaking. So very often, a lot of day traders get into trouble as soon as London is open. Now, because there are some very, very agile day traders, as I like to call them, they come in on Monday, they want to make money fast and go. In fact, some of them, they come the first 2 hours, they want to grab some nice profit and then just go away completely. They don't want to come back again and give back their profit. So the first 3 hours on Monday, when London is open at 3 a.m. Eastern time, 8 a.m. okay, London time, the first 3 hours, we can day trade, and then we want to go away. Just go away. Okay, behave like professional trader, just go away. Then we come back again. If you want to trade, you come back again at 9:30 Eastern time, 2:30 p.m. London time to trade a New York session. When New York is open on Monday, wait at least 30 minutes. In fact, I would recommend to trade it. When you are trading a New York session, wait until 10 a.m. In fact, I will say to you, do not place any trade. Just do something else, play computer game, do something else until 10 a.m. Eastern time. That's 3 p.m. London time. That will save you all sorts of trouble. Why? Very often on Mondays, okay, when New York is open, all right, you will see a lot of stock will gap up, gap down. Why stock gaps up? Where stock are gapping down? Somebody knows something somewhere. Some people sold it big time and it got down because of some major economy news that I do maybe in the future, or they check some fundamentals, and maybe the earnings, this is the earnings season, people don't want to hang around or people want to take profits and they are careful. So stock will gap up and gap down. On Monday, very often, many stock will gap up and gap down on Monday. Because weekends, okay, you see, after the weekend, and then boom, Monday, they gap out, gap down. The future market will open first, and then the New York will open at 2:30 p.m. And then, boom, 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 stock gapping up and gapping down. So, and there is also something that we call portfolio adjustment. So, you come in on Monday, professional day traders. So, London professional day traders will come in at 8 a.m. London time to trade a London session. So, stock will gap up and gap down in London, okay, during a London session or in Europe. So, they are adjusting their portfolio. Maybe they want to close some trade or, okay, take some profit or minimize some risk. This kind of activity, these are not real trading decisions. So price can gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down. These are not real trading signal, okay? Because it's just portfolio adjustment. People are taking profit or hedging their position or controlling their risk or managing their portfolio or preparing themselves for the week ahead. So, for instance, if I have, for instance, too many trade open for the Euro USD, okay, the week before, which I did not close, and now come on Monday, I want to close some of those trades because I know that on Tuesday, the ECB will speak or there are major decisions that will come up that can mess up those trades. So I come in on Monday, the first thing I want to do is not about how much money I want to make straight away. It's how much money I don't want to lose, okay? So I'm switching to defensive mode. So one thing we need to do on Monday is to be very, very defensive. We want to be prepared and be very, very defensive because we want to start the week on a winning foot, okay? So I am reducing my exposure in euro because I know that major economy news may affect the Euro USD. So on Monday, I'm just cutting my things. So you see the price will behave in a different way, going up or going down. You say, oh, George said that the Euro should be bullish. What's going on? Why the Euro is going down? Portfolio adjustment. People are preparing themselves. Economy news. That's why I said to you, it's not all about technical alone. So after the dust has settled, so to speak, all right, London is open, the dust has settled, New York will open. And the same thing will happen again. A stock will gap up, a gap down, okay? Professional will adjust their portfolio, prepare themselves for the week, hedge some position, manage their portfolio. As all this is taking place, very often on Monday, a lot of hedging and portfolio management, trade management, and risk control takes place on Monday. All right, on Monday. That's why Monday can be a very tricky trading day, especially if you are a day trader. So the best approach is that when one is open, first wait 30 minutes, okay, and then be around for 3 hours, and then go away. And then when New York is open, all right, come back again at 10 a.m. Okay, again, first 2 hours for New York, first 2 hours, and then just go away. Don't stay too long around. First 2 hours. If you don't get anything the first 2 hours as a day trader, you are not a swing trader, just go away. All right? Okay, just go away and wait for the next day. These are the things that we need to be aware of if we are trading on Monday. Another thing we need to be aware of if you are trading on Monday, all right, is if Monday is the last Monday of the month. So, as you can see, if I pull out my calendar here, okay, this is Sunday, the 25th of May, all right, you can see that the month of May will end on the 31st. So tomorrow, which is Monday, the 26th of May, is the last Monday of this month. Yes or no? Because the month will end on Saturday. So this is the last. This Monday, 26th of May, is the last Monday of the month. So if you are day trading on Monday, and the Monday happens to be the last Monday of the month, you will go to the monthly chart. Very important. Now, I don't want to dwell too long on this because this is about trading idea part 2. So a month is about to end. We go to the monthly chart. All right? This is just something you want to know. A month is about to begin. You want to go to the monthly chart. Okay, a quarter is about to end. You want to check the quarterly chart and the monthly chart. These are something else. So on Monday, if Monday happens to be the last Monday of the month, as it's going to be for this week, you see the Euro USD. This is the low of last month. So this month the price is going down. Okay, see, Euro went down. In fact, in May a little bit. Okay, all right, it came out of the bullish channel. You see, this is the market channel, market pattern here. So we came out of it now. The short-term equilibrium price for the Euro USD, by the way, for the next 2 weeks, is at 13813. 13813. All right? It's here. 13813. That level will remain in place for the next 2 weeks. But the price at one point will try to retest this point, this short-term equilibrium price level. That remains to be seen. But here again, because this is the last month of the month, the last Monday of this month of May, all right? We go to the monthly chart. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart. Okay. You can see that on a monthly chart, what do we see? If you pay attention to the green line and the turquoise line, there was a kind of consolidation taking place here on the monthly chart. Market pattern, yes or no, okay? So that's why, if you look carefully, on a daily chart, we have a rising channel, but on a monthly chart, we have a kind of consolidation taking place, forcing the price back below the trend line. So the higher time frame is commanding the lower time frame. So the market may decide to close this month of May, bringing the price down to the green line, which is the support level of this consolidation session here. But we need to be aware of the median line of this horizontal channel here on the monthly chart. So the median line roughly for the consolidation session is in the zone of 13668. 13668. All right? So be aware of it. So the euro is now you see it's now near that level, the median line of that consolidation session at 13668. So do not forget that level. But if we find a resistance below the 13668, for what I'm saying to you, the last Monday of the month, we are paying attention to the monthly patterns. If you find a resistance below the median line of this consolidation session, so they may push it all the way here to complete the pattern on the monthly chart. But the short-term equilibrium price level is also at 13813. So if a Monday happened to be the last Monday of the month, we go to the monthly chart and see the market pattern on the monthly chart, so we can pay attention to the key levels on the monthly chart. The price always going up or down from one key level to the next key level. So here is going down, it's looking for a support level. There's one support where we are now, near the median line of this horizontal channel. If that support fails, the price will seek the next support level, which is the green line right here. If you find a support near the median line start going up, it will seek, if the price is going down, the price is looking for a better resistance level. So if you find a support near the median line and start going up, we will be looking at the short-term equilibrium price level at 13813. All right. So if a Monday happen to be the last Monday of the month, we will go to the monthly chart. So the price may continue all the way down here, or there's a support somewhere here. If you find a support near the median line of the channel going up, we are watching the short-term equilibrium price level. You want to sell at the support level, you must be below the support level, retest it, and then start going down in a declining channel using a multiple time frame trading method. So if the Monday happens to be the last Monday of the month, we check the monthly chart and we want to know where are the key levels, knowing that the price is moving from one key level to the next key level. This is very important. The same thing, if Monday is the first Monday of the month, that's a different issue, all right? You want to go again to the monthly chart. But before we continue, if Monday happens to be the first Monday of the month, be very, very careful, because major economy news are due during the first week of the month, which is very, very volatile. I will be recording another video where I will show traders how to day trade the first week of the month. Okay, so I don't want to go there too long. I don't want to dwell on that. So be aware of it. If a Monday happens to be the first Monday of the month, or the first Monday, the first Monday of the month, or the last Monday of the month, you want to go to the monthly chart and pay attention to the key levels. Okay. If Monday is the first Monday of the quarter or the year, or the last Monday of the quarter, the last day of a quarter, if a Monday is the last day of a quarter or the last day of the year, you want to go to the quarterly chart or the yearly chart. Check all of them and know what, because if a candle is about to close, a monthly candle is about to close, a quarterly candle is about to close, a yearly candle is about to close, the key levels on that time frame become too essential. Okay, so you want to know what is taking place. All right, so this is the last Monday of the month of May. We want to pay attention to the monthly chart for the Euro USD and the key level that the price, because the price is going down now, the price looking for support level, so we will be paying attention to the key support level. If the price was going up before and we go to the monthly chart, we will be paying attention to the resistance level. Remember, three things is important in trading: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. Apart from the market pattern, that's what we use for any trading system, market pattern, nothing else. Anybody say anything to you or inventing any miracle, it must be based on the market pattern. If a trading system is built and is violating the market pattern, is creating a distortion, or is to confuse other traders or to manipulate the market, a valid trading system must be based on the market patterns. Now, the next thing that we say to traders is what? The trading drill. So, we work with the market pattern, but if you want to day trade, or if you want to adopt the mindset of professional traders, we must follow the trading drill. the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. You may see a valid setup, receive a nice signal, but if the risk is too high, you may walk away. All right? It's clear. You may see the best setup, but if the signal is useless, you may go away. Two types of signal, a direct signal and an indirect signal. All technical indicator will give an indirect signal, but the price must always give a direct signal, which is a confirmation. All right? So the price is the number one indicator. If you are day trading, we want to follow, okay, respect the market patterns and the trading rate. This is one thing I'll be talking about. That's what I communicate to traders. If you are a new trader, you go through the ups and downs. I don't want to be part of it, okay? New trader can be impatient. I was very, very impatient day trader before. I rush into the trade. I want to trade. I want to trade. I want to trade. If I see a new trader like that, I slow the trader down, but I don't want to be part of it. But it's normal. It's normal for a new trader to be like that. But slowly but gradually, okay, this trader, okay, will improve. All right, this is very important. If you are day trading on Monday, you are trading the Asia session, what I will recommend to you, wait until Hong Kong, okay, is open. Do not place any trade when Tokyo is open. Wait 2 hours. You just need 2 hours more, okay? So Tokyo is open. Just, you want to whistle? All right, whistle, all right? Do something else. And until Tokyo is open, all right? And then day trade, okay? And then day trade the first 2 hours and then go away, all right? Very simple, all right? Because when Tokyo is open, a few hours later, London is open again, okay? All right? So these are the things that we need to pay attention to when we are day trading. Beginning of the week, which is Monday, have a plan. What's your plan for this week? Look for your best setup. Which financial instrument do you trade most? Are you specialist of the Euro USD like myself? Okay. Do you trade the Dow Jones Index? Are you specialist of stocks? Do you trade stocks? Pick some stock that you like, that move fast. If you are day trader, you don't want to day trade financial instruments that do not move at all. Sometimes I see some traders buy TSCW24, and sometimes they trade some stock that are useless. In fact, the stock don't go anywhere. How can you day trade like that? Maybe you are the only person day trading that stock. Do not day trade those kind of stocks, okay? Trade stock that move, all right? And that's how you're going to get paid, all right? So, have a plan, okay? And then have a strategy, okay? What's your plan? What's your strategy for Monday? If you don't have a plan, you can't hit anything. Have a plan, have a strategy. Aim for something, okay? Aim for something beginning of the week. How much profit you want to take this week? Do you want to be a hunter? Do you want to grab profit consistently? Do you want to accumulate profit? What's your plan, okay? Depending on the economy news that I show to you, if the week is going to be volatile, you're going to be looking for, okay, scalping trend. So in 1, 2, 3, out. Grab your profit, best setup, 1, 2, 3, out. Bank your profit. If any trend is getting a bit messy, you close it because you don't want to lose. Some weeks you will be more relaxed and you may stay in a trade for long times, okay? You'll be more relaxed because you know that, okay, this is the best time. Another thing I need to mention to trade, the last week of the month is the best time for day trading. No, you didn't hear me. The last week of the month is the best time for day trading. Why? Because a monthly candle is about to close. Some swing traders that remain in the trade the whole month, some position traders that remain in the trade the whole month would like to take some profit because they know that the month is about to close. They want to bank some profit. Some professionals that are day trading also, swing trading, what they invest in, they want to grab some profit for their future bonus. So last week of the month, you see a lot of activity in the market. It's the best week for day trading. So it's so important if you are day trading on the last Monday of the month, so you start that week on a winning note because you have the best opportunity to day trade. It's the best time for day trading and you want to start the week carefully, okay? This is something I want you to understand so you can also play the mind game of day trading. On Monday, professionals want to control their risk, okay? They want to control their risk. There's some activity that we call hedging activity, which means professional will go and sell a financial instrument, not because the financial instrument is bearish, but to protect another trade or another position. So you are using a technical setup, you know that stock is bullish, you are day trading nicely, and then a professional or a hedge fund come and start selling it. You say, what's going on? George, you say that the stock is bullish. What's going on? Somebody is selling or hedging their position. They are selling just to protect another trade. This is taking place a lot in the forex market. That's why it's not good for forex day trader to have too many positions open. Trade a major currency pair, the euro USD, the pound dollar currency pair, the Australian dollar US dollar, the dollar yen, okay, the pound yen, major currency pair, trade a major currency pair, US dollar, New Zealand dollar currency pair. Do not have too many positions open, become a specialist, okay, because of the hedging activity in the market. A lot of new traders sometimes that are trading forex they don't understand the correlation between currency pair, and they trade them not because they are making wrong decisions, but they end up being punished by the hedging activity in the market. The same thing is happening in the forex market, in the stock market also, when professionals sell some stocks to protect another trade. Okay, this is about the risk control, and this activity usually takes place a lot on Monday, but also on Friday. But today we are talking about how to day trade on Monday, so be aware of it. There's also portfolio adjustment that is taking place on Monday. So you have your portfolio Monday, you see, okay, whoa, I didn't see that one coming. This economy is going to mess up my portfolio. I may end up losing millions or something like that. So you say, no, I'm not going to take that nonsense. You start closing some trade, maybe taking some losses, and you say, I better cut it down now. I better lose, okay, $200 instead of losing $2,000. It makes sense, yes or no? It makes sense. So you may close some trade because you don't like some major economy that are coming up, what's going on, okay? And maybe it's the first week of the month, too many economy news, and you don't want to be part of it, and you decide to come out altogether. Sometimes you may regret it that, why have I cut it? If I stay in that trade, I would have won. I would have taken a lot of profit. Yes, it happens. Sometimes you are too defensive and you miss an opportunity. Doesn't matter. You didn't lose big. While you are trying to avoid, you don't want to lose big. Come back another day, okay? The bank holidays, okay? Be aware of it. This can also get traders into trouble. Especially, for instance, last Friday, if you don't know that in London it's bank holiday, in America it's also bank holiday, and you end up with all sorts of trade. You very often, after the bank holidays, which is tomorrow, and then come Tuesday, you see a lot of stock gapping up, gapping down, and people get into trouble because of that. So trading on Monday, you must trade like a hunter. Have a plan, have a strategy, and be very defensive. Go to the weekly chart, highlight the high, the low, and the median line of the weekly chart. Price always moving from the one key level to the next key level. Respect the market pattern and use the trading drill. It's not all about technical trading alone. It's about combining the technical and the fundamental. The last point, which is very, very important for traders that want to become, professional traders, want to adopt the mindset of professional traders, want to remain in the market for a long time. The trading triangle. What is the trading triangle? I have posted a video on YouTube at Jotrio when I explain to traders what is the trading triangle. I have been day trading for some time, and beginning, I get into a lot of trouble. In fact, at the beginning, somebody was sending me some signal when I was a very, very new trader, and sometimes I don't understand what these people were doing, and they give me a signal will fail. So I end up losing. And then a few days later, the price will do exactly what they were telling me that the price will do. And I get confused. But there is something that I have come across, which is the trading triangle. A design trading triangle. This is a method that the professionals are following. So, you want to trade, for instance, Apple stock. Let's bring back Apple stock. You trade in stock. Okay, you want to trade Apple stock. What is Apple stock? Apple stock is a market leader. What is Google stock? Google stock is a market leader. Okay? What is ExxonMobil? ExxonMobil is a market leader. All right? what is Boeing stock? Boeing stock is a market leader. So you may say to me, George, I live in Bombay, okay? I don't care about what's going on in America. I live in Shanghai. I don't care about. No, it's a global market. There's no discrimination in the market, okay? Whether you are in wherever you are, okay? New York, London, or Shanghai, or wherever you are, Bombay, or, okay? So you are trading the market, okay? So the trading triangle, what I said to trader, which I explained to trader, which is critical for traders that want to remain in the market too long, three things, okay? The market first. The market is represented by the S&P 500, okay? So, on Monday, I will refer traders back to the video that we call Trading Triangle by George Rio. We are trading the market. So you want to, on Monday, you are paying attention to the S&P 500, or you may pay attention to the Dow Jones Index. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you are trading in Tokyo, okay, wherever you are, you want to pay attention to the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones. If the S&P 500 is closed, okay, you want to know what has happened, okay, what has happened to the S&P 500, okay. So if you want to sell, you want to make sure that S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, I like the Dow Jones more. Yes, the Dow Jones Index is bearish, or it's at a resistance zone, or we have a bearish pattern on the weekly chart, monthly chart, okay? If the market is bearish, you want to give priority to your bearish watch list. So you don't want to buy, okay? Why? Because you don't want to fight the market. Okay, just very simple. You don't want to fight the market. Though you are not trading directly the Dow Jones or the S&P 500, you want to pay attention to them. Now, apart from the market itself, we have also sectors. Sometimes a sector, maybe the retail sector, may be completely bearish, which means one leading, okay, stock in that sector is bearish or came out with some warning, is bearish. So the investors are busy selling that, okay, stock in that sector. As the leaders are going under pressure, the little one will be crushed, of course. So a professional will quickly go and sell because they know that the leading currency pair or the leading stock are bearish in that sector, so they go and sell in that sector. Okay? The same thing, if the market is bearish, they are paying attention to the market leaders. So we are talking about market leaders. They are here, the market leader. This is a smaller triangle, market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamental. We're talking about Google Finance and Yahoo Finance. Okay? You want to understand what is taking place in this messy market. The market leaders, in fact, are influencing the market. If they are going down, they will pull the market down. That's why they are the heart of the market itself. So you want to know the market leaders of the sector that you are trading. For the forex trading, the leading currency pair is the Euro USD. Okay, so but we want to understand the correlation between currency pair and how to trade it. Okay, which I explained to traders many times. Okay, so we want to use the trading triangle. To avoid that the video to be too long, I will not dwell on the trading triangle. I will just highlight it to traders that whatever you are doing, you don't want to fight the market. If the market is bearish, give priority to bearish signal. Give priority to bearish financial instrument. If a sector is bearish, give priority to do not go and buy, even if you see the best bullish setup in that sector, and the sector is bearish that week, that month, or that period. Okay, you remember when the commodity sector was booming, everybody was buying. Okay, you don't want to go and sell commodity during the commodity booming time. Okay, the bull are dominating the market. The same thing, we don't want to fight the market, we don't want to fight the sector, but we want to understand also that the market leaders, okay, will influence the market. The fundamentals, the economy news can change the dynamics of the market, the sector, and also the financial instrument itself. At the end of the day, when we are trading on Monday, one thing we want to understand is that we are not alone. There are different types of day traders, advanced day traders, okay, eagle's eyes day traders, if you want me to put it like that, very, very smart day traders. And you are competing with them in a real time. In fact, it's a game. So that's why you lose and somebody is winning. Or you have a winning week and somebody have a winning, okay, day only, or you have a winning month and somebody have a winning hour only. So this is what's going on. So it's a real game. So that's why when you come in on Monday, which is the first day of the month, first day of the week, you want to be prepared. First 3 hours when London is open, use the trading drill, use the trading triangle, and adhere to the trading the market patterns. Okay, this is very, very important for day traders. And one thing you want to understand: are you a day trader or are you a swing trader? Sometimes one of the questions I ask TST traders that I send them emails, especially if they join us for the first time, I say, "Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader?" Okay. Now, what do you trade? Because I want to know what type of trader is this person? What is your trading style? Sometimes traders are not sure whether they are day trader. If you are a day trader, okay, or you want to be a day trader, or you enjoy day trading, okay. So the question is that, do you enjoy day trading? Okay. If you enjoy day trading, then you are a day trader. Okay. Do you enjoy swing trading? Then you are a swing trader, okay? If you do not enjoy day trading, then you are not a day trader, or you have to learn to become a day trader. So a day trader is somebody, is a short-term market participant. So he or she does not remain in the market too long. Sometimes people don't understand that. So you want to bank profit consistently. No, you didn't get it. Consistently. As a day trader, you don't want to give back your profit, all right? You are very, very defensive. Or you are looking for, okay, the best opportunity, come in, grab your profit, go. You wait again, like a hunter, you see another best opportunity, you come in, you grab it and go. You don't want to lose, you are a hunter. This is about day trading. Sometimes traders don't understand that they are day traders, and they don't understand, they don't want to learn, okay, how to day trade. If you want to day trade like a professional trader, you want to adopt the mindset of a professional day trader, all right? These are the things that I'm sharing with you here. So you trade the Euro USD, for instance, okay? You want to pay attention to economy news relating to the Eurozone and also to the US economy, all right? The ECB is about to speak, the Fed is about to speak. You know that you are in it. You know that crude oil is positively correlated to the Euro USD, and you are paying attention also to the crude oil. Now, as a day trader, you want to trade Apple stock? Okay, have a plan. Draw your channel. What is the market pattern on a daily chart? What is the market pattern on a weekly chart? What is the market pattern on a monthly chart? These are the first questions you want to ask. People say to me, "George, I'm a day trader. I don't want to see the yearly chart." Yes, you can. If excellent opportunity can arise, beautiful day trading opportunity can arise even from the yearly chart. I hope you have learned something for the video also, okay? And we'll put into use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. This is about how to day trade on Monday. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.